Which month is it?
Of course I know. It's December.
Christmas time.
I have an elf hat. Danny has a Santa hat. Look on the table. We have Santa and the reindeer.
So today we are going to show you 3 different decorations.
Really simple. So
Let's get started.
the first thing that we're gonna make is a
Christmas tree with this.
with this. How are we meant to do it with this?
Continue watching the video, but before doing that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Danny and Julie Wonderland.
Need a green card, a yellow card, a green straws,
Any color.
yeah, markers,
Pen or pencil will be okay.
yes, scissors. Be careful with these because they're really sharp. Tape and the machine. If you don't have it, you can just do holes
With a
With a
pen.
pen.
This machine makes holes in the paper. The first step is you have to turn your green card around on the white side and draw a Christmas tree shape.
For Christmas, we actually have balls on them, but we're not going to draw one because we just need to do a shape. To make an easy Christmas tree, you will need to draw 3 triangles. I'm going to do it with a pencil, so if I do a mistake, I can rub it out. So, this is the Christmas tree for now.
So now we have to cut the outline we did.
And then, why is your tongue stick out?
There we go.
These are our Christmas trees.
They are very nice. I'm going to bend the Christmas tree into a zigzag
zigzag
shape. Like this. 1, 2. 1,
2.
1,
I'm nearly finished.
2.
Last bit.
1 and
Finished.
2. Let's open it.
Now, for each side, you need to do a hole like this.
In the middle.
Yeah. Oh. Then we refold it like that. And then we do a hole. Simple. And that. Now it's done. Don't worry if it's not in a perfect line because this is a easy kids activity. I love Christmas. There are many things to do like the Christmas tree, make decoration, presents, food,
Family. There you go. Now we have to insert the straw through the holes. In and out.
in and out. I have the last hole. I'm just gonna put this a bit more down and a bit more straight. Do you like it? Let's present you our lovely Christmas tree.
There's something missing to be a real Christmas tree.
Johnny, do you know what it is?
A star!
We have a yellow sheep.
I just need a little square. Good. Get a square shape. One for me and one for Julie. Like this.
We need to draw a star that you're gonna cut out. Know how to draw a star?
Yes! You have to do this.
Okay. Up, down.
And then you have to do a line like this. 1 to here. A line that goes across. And finally,
step. Then you need to go down to the beginning.
yeah, and then you have to attach the 2 sides together. Time to cut.
Done. I just need to do this last line. Up and then down. I'm done. tongue out.
So I got my star.
Then
Shooting star.
then you seem so weird with that. Now we have our Christmas tree and our star. So now we need to put the star on top of the tree. It should be the final outcome of your star.
Wow.
This is my tree.
La, 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 la.
I wish you a Merry Christmas.
Hello, tree.
I wish you a Merry Christmas.
Hello, tree.
Hello.
Next Christmas activity, we are going to do a reindeer.
You and me. A toilet paper roll.
Pipe cleaner.
Pom-poms.
Googly eyes.
A glue stick.
And don't forget your scissors. Now let's start.
Too slow. Too slow. Too slow. First thing to do is to cut the toilet paper in half.
Danny, I have an easy, simple way to cut the toilet roll.
Okay.
So, you need to flatten the toilet roll and then you can cut it easily. So, let's cut it through. Oh, I have been up.
I am a minion.
Me too. Do you know how to film minions? Now we need to put one of the toilet roll on the side. So
I'm a minion with one eye. After we cut the toilet paper in half, we have to stick the googly eye. I got an easy way to stick in. You do the googly eyes like this. Get it out and put it on your toilet paper. The nice things of googly eyes is that they move.
we're gonna put one googly eye and the second googly eye.
Red nose.
Last step is cut the pipe cleaner in half. So we're gonna grab the scissors and then in half again. And we're done.
Okay.
And do you have any idea where we're gonna put the pipe cleaners?
They will be for the reindeer.
I'm gonna glue some inside.
Almost done. Done the first side. Now the second side. Done.
Done.
We introduce our reindeers. Mine's called Mr. Rudolph Danny.
Mine is called Smalley Lovey Julie. Hello, Reindeer Danny.
Hello, Reindeer Julia.
Now we made
a reindeer and a Christmas tree.
Danny, what's left?
A snowman.
You will need
Paper
markers.
or colouring pencils.
Yes.
And scissors. So first, you have to cut the paper in half. I'm going to show you an easy trick. You fold the paper in half like this.
Voila. Then you need to open your paper and cut through the line that you can see.
This line.
Be careful with the scissors. Luckily he doesn't have his tongue out. Put one sheet on the side.
We have to fold the paper in zigzag like we did with the
Christmas
Christmas tree.
So, fold.
Fold and
Do
go
it.
on the other side.
Oh no.
Fold and go on the other side. Fold on the other side.
It's gonna come out really nice.
Open it. This is like a musical instrument.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Now we're gonna draw the outline in our snowman. Do you know how to draw a really simple snowman?
Yes.
So shall we show them?
Yes.
So you have to draw.
Yes. Yes.
So get your marker. It can be any color because after we're gonna go and cut it around, we need to draw a number 8. So 1, and then the last bit.
There we go. Now it's time to cut them like this. I stopped again.
I'm done. Do you want to see the magic? Snowman. Now we just need to decorate our snowman with a scarf, hands.
Snowman has a carrot for the nose, so I drew a carrot. Oh, great.
Nice.
He have one like this. He had a sad face. I'm going to draw them a scarf because winter's very cold.
1, 2, and then 3.
We present you our snowman chain. This is Mr. Red, Mr. Green, Miss Yellow and Sir Blue.
This one is called Mr. Blue, Sir Green, Miss Yellow, Miss Grumpy Red. We had a really fun time doing this Christmas decoration. Danny, shall we tell them? We decided to do another Christmas decoration in another video, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye!